Traditional fixed deposits offer a comfortable illusion of safety, steadily destroying your purchasing power through inflation. But escaping that inflation by dumping 100% of your capital into equity index funds exposes you to severe 30% market drawdowns that test the nerve of even the most seasoned investors. The solution is not to choose one extreme over the other. A resilient portfolio actively pairs high-growth equity with the stable preservation of gold. Think of them as mechanical components. Broad equity index ETFs act as your wealth engine, compounding corporate earnings over decades. Gold ETFs act as the shock absorber, deploying capital protection precisely when the engine stalls. This split-screen graph demonstrates the math behind inverse correlation. Because equity and gold react oppositely to the same macroeconomic triggers, a drop in your stock holdings is often offset by an automatic spike in your gold value. To build a portfolio that actually survives the coming decade, we need to evaluate these assets across a specific 10-topic masterclass framework. You can stop trying to pick a winner between gold and equity. If you are 20 to 30 years away from retirement, you allocate 90% to broad equity index ETFs. A 10% gold ETF slice acts purely as an insurance policy. Profile 2 is the balanced optimizer. If a 20% drop in portfolio value would keep you awake at night, you utilize a split of 70% equity, 15% debt ETFs, and 15% gold to drastically suppress overall volatility. Profile 3 is the income focus. Older investors, or those with very low risk tolerance, shift heavily away from equity ETFs, relying instead on sovereign gold bonds, fixed deposits, and highly stable large-cap indices. Execution today is entirely operational. Assess your personal risk tolerance, open a DMAT account, and automate monthly SIPs to maintain your specific ETF ratios. Gold and equity aren't competitors. They are defensive and offensive teammates. Execute them passively, trust non-correlation math, and let the portfolio build wealth uninterrupted.